Hello friends, I'm your friend, your trainer, Mahadev Gudse. Today we are going to see decision making. If statement. If statement always contains a Boolean expression. If the condition is true, it will show the output as true, else it will show the output as false. If is always associated with else statement. Let's see a program of if statement. I'm taking standard input output file from the library and including inside the main. I'm declaring and defining a variable a with a value of 10 which is of integer data type. I'm checking the condition using if statement. If inside the parenthesis a is less than 20. If statement checks whether the value which is stored in a is it less than 20. If the condition is true, then the next statement of printf will be executed, else it will go outside the curly brackets. As in previous statement, value of a was assigned as 10, so the condition is true and the next coming printf will be executed. Inside the printf, a is less than 20 is printed on the screen. The line of printf will not be executed as if the previous condition was true, so the previous printf was printed and this printf will be skipped. I don't want to return anything to main, so I'm using return 0. Output of the program is a is less than 20. We'll see the program of if else statement. I'm taking input output file from the library and including inside the main. Variable a is declared of integer data type and defined with a value as 100. I'm checking the condition using if statement. If value which is stored in a is less than 20. Now I've assigned the value of a as 100, so this condition will be set as false and just following the curly brackets will be skipped as the condition is false. As the condition was false, the statement of line comes to the else condition, the else statement. Inside the else bracket, curly bracket, printf a is not less than 20 will be printed on the screen. The final printf value of a is d%d a will not be printed as if else statement block has been executed. I don't want to return anything to main function, so I'm using return 0. The output of the program is a is not less than 20, value of a is 100. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. If you want to get more knowledge, keep on watching the YouTube channel. Thank you.